Hi, my name is Tom Lowery. I live in Lakeside, California. I met with 3 companies. We had 6 solar panels on my house, and 6 wasn't cutting it at all. It's a big house, so I knew I needed a ton more because my bill was super high every month. So we got 20 more, so now we have 26 panels. I knew I wanted Sunpower, so the first thing I did is I went to the Sunpower website and started doing my research, and I noticed that SolarTech was listed as an elite dealer, an elite installer for the Sunpower product. So that made me feel very comfortable. I contacted them and I did my research on them. They have a very good reputation, very good reviews. I met with a rep and I met with 2 other companies, and it was night and day. My experience with the SolarTech rep versus the other companies was completely different. My rep was knowledgeable, he took his time, he wasn't pushy, and he really explained, there's a lot to know in this business, and he really explained the ins and outs of it, lease versus buy, the product, the warranty, the installation process, everything, every step of the way. And we ended up going with SolarTech, and it was one of the best buying experiences I've had. I'm not the easiest customer because I have high expectations. No matter what the amount of money is, I have high expectations, and I want things done perfect. I'm a perfectionist, I want it perfect. And you guys really achieved that. You guys really did.